presenting the Dodge 2019 Journey SE Value Package. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, granite pearl coat, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, LT frost beige black premium cloth low back bucket seats, quick order package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, tires, P225/65R17 BSW AS Touring, STD, front-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.